Californians are smiling all the time.
That's only because it's so foggy here.
Yeah.
you know how that happens, don't you? Well, it's a very simple thing. That it's actually due to the canyon that we have out here. And the canyon in Monterey, actually we're right here in Monterey.
Yeah.
Santa Cruz is down.
Yeah, we went to Santa Cruz yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's about 25 miles.
Yeah.
Now, you come 90 degrees over, and you are at Elkhorn Slough or Moss Landing, which is straight out this way.
Yeah.
And that's where the Duke Energy, well, it's an energy plant that is located there. Adjacent to that, right within, I'm going to say a tenth of a mile, is the head of the Salinas River.
Yeah.
And that dumps actually into Monterey Bay.
Yeah.
And it extends out, this canyon that's underneath us here, extends out 60 miles.
Yeah.
And it's 2 miles deep. That's 11,500 feet deep.
Yeah.
If you thought about the Titanic that sank in the mid-Atlantic, it sank at 12,000 foot of water. This is 11,500 feet, and it's only 40, 50 miles offshore. Now, this canyon that extends out then 60 miles, when it reaches this midpoint between here and Santa Cruz, that's 3,000 foot of depth.
Yeah.
Now, 3,000 foot of depth and below, you're at a near constant 40 degrees. So you've got very, very cold water that is sitting down, and you're going to drop down 11,500 feet.
Yeah.
So from 3,000 to 11,500 feet, you've got all that 40-degree water.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what happens is every year between May through the better part of August, there's a change in the intensity of the wind as it blows from the equator to the Arctic.
Yeah.
That intensity comes up the shoreline here, in this area here. And due to the, every year, establishment of very high barometric pressure in the northern Pacific, very low in the southern Nevada desert, that allows or creates, with the topography that we have, a Coriolis effect, so that when the Earth is turning, rotating in this direction, and the wind intensified is coming up this way, it turns out to sea and creates an upwelling.
Yeah.
That then draws all that cold water, 40 degrees, from the seafloor, and it sucks it right up to the surface area.
Yeah.
As the wind then is blowing over the surface area with the colder water, it's chilling the air.
Yeah.
It comes together with the air that's been absorbed and radiated back by Earth when it hits the shoreline.
Yeah.
They come together, create an occlusion, which is fog.
Yeah.
And so you're going to have fog the majority of the time. You'll have a few days of nice sunny days, and then it, boom, fog's right back up again.
Yeah.
And the water is actually colder in the summer months then, warmer in the winter.
Are you kidding? I
So
should have thought the other way.
ambient temperature here is 52 to 57 degrees. It'll drop down maybe to 48 and might get up a little bit higher than that. But it's ideal for all the marine life, the plant, and the animal. It's a wonderful place to be. As a matter of fact, there's a mountain out here that rises 8,000 feet. And you can't see it. If you're driving south on Highway 1 and you come to, there's a lighthouse, Big Sur Lighthouse. And you look out to sea, there's a mountain that is 26 miles long, 24 miles wide. It rises 8,000 feet from the seafloor, but it's 3,000 foot underwater.
Yeah.
It's an amazing mountain.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.